Hello everyone, my name is Sanjita Prasad and today I am going to discuss about organic compounds. And I'm going to discuss the foundation of organic compounds, that is how to name the organic compounds, also known as nomenclature of organic compounds. Trivial system means the common system, okay? The common names. Then IUPAC, that is International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry System. So now let's see. According to the IUPAC system, the name of an organic compound, it consists of three parts. The first part is root word, okay? Suffix. Suffix means anything which is added at the end of a word. Prefix. Prefix means anything which is added at the starting. Okay. Now let's see more about root word. Okay. In the case of organic compounds, the root word, it depends upon the number of carbon atoms present in the longest carbon chain selected. So as you go here, you can see if the number of carbon atom is 1. Okay. So what is the root word? It is METH, meth. Okay. 2 carbon atoms, eth. 3 carbon atoms, prop. 4 carbon atoms, but. 5 carbon atoms, pent. 6 carbon atoms, hex. 7, hept. 8, oct. So actually usually we'll be using most of the organic compounds which will be naming. It will be usually with till 7 carbon atoms. Okay. Now, the next is suffix. Okay. As I said, what is suffix? Which we add at the end of a word. Okay. And here, the suffix represents the nature of the bond in a carbon-carbon atom. Okay. So, if it is single bond, so what is the suffix? ANE. And the name of the hydrocarbon becomes alkane. Okay. General formula is CnH2n plus 2, where n can be any number starting from 1. Okay. Double bond. Then what is the suffix? ene. E-N-E. In that case, alkene becomes alkene. E-N-E. And the general formula is CnH2n. If it is triple bond, okay, the suffix becomes Y-N-E. General name is alkyne. Okay. And general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Okay. Now, if a group is present, any group, suppose alkyl. Okay. Then the suffix is YL. And this is the formula. CnH2n plus 1. Okay. Now I'm going to show you few examples. Okay. About alkene, alkene, alkyne, and alkyl. Then only you'll be able to understand. So here we go. Now, one H, then 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 2, 4, which we can simply write as CH4. Okay. So this is known as methane because the root word is meth. So it is called as methane. Okay. Now let's see what is the name when N is equal to 2. When N is equal to 2, the formula becomes C2H, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes. So, the name of this organic compound is ethane. Okay. Similarly, when N is equal to 3. Okay. So, in that case, what will we get? We'll get C3H, 3 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. Can you guess the name? Yes. What will be the name? The root word. Remember? Meth, eth. If 3 carbon atoms, then prop. So this becomes propane. Okay? Propane. Similarly, when N is equal to 4, in that case, what will we get? C4H. So now H will be 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So it will be 10. And the name of the organic compound will be butane. Okay? So that is for alkene. Now let's move to naming of alkene. Okay? Alkene. And for alkene, what is the formula? CnH2n. Okay? So when N is equal to 1, right? So what is the formula? The formula will be CH2. But it is not possible to have an organic compound with this name because you see you know very well that carbon is tetravalent. So here the tetravalence cannot be satisfied. Carbon is joined to 2 hydrogen atoms. So it is not possible. Okay. So now next, let's move to when N is equal to 2. Then what you will get? We'll get C2H4. What is the organic name of the organic compound? It will be called, yes, ethane. But since double bond is there, it becomes ethene. Now I'm going to show you how is the double bond present there. Here you see. Always while writing the formula, you must see that the tetravalency of carbon is satisfied. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But you see in the case of methane, it's satisfied because it is attached with 4 hydrogen atoms, CH4. Right? Okay. Then let's move when N is equal to, suppose, 3. In that case, what will we get? We'll get, yes, C3H, 3 2s are 6. Okay. So what will be its name? Here it is ethene because 2 carbon atoms are there. Okay. So C3H6. 1, 2, 3. So there'll be a double bond. You can draw it anywhere, either here or here. It doesn't matter. 1, 2. So 3 and 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. So this will be propene. Okay. The name of this organic compound is propene. So we can go on naming the organic compounds in this way. Now let's move to alkyne. Okay. So what is the general formula for alkyne? It is CnH2n minus 2. Okay. So again, 1 is not possible, right? Because hydrogen will be 0. So we'll start from 2. When n is equal to 2, then what do we get? We get C2, H, 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, right? So the name of this organic compound is ethyne. Let me show you the structure. 1, 2, 3. Here goes one hydrogen atom. Here goes the other hydrogen atom. So the name of this compound is ethyne. Okay, ethyne, ethyne. Now, what happens when the number of carbon atom is 3? When n is equal to 3. So the formula will be C3H. 3 to the 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay. So 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. Right? And triple bond. So we can draw it anyway. Either on this carbon atom, first one or second. It doesn't matter. 1, 2, 3. So 1 hydrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already satisfied. Now you must always keep in mind that the valency of carbon atom, which is 4, should always be satisfied. So here comes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So what will be the name? Propyne. Propyne. Then what is the next class? Next class is when we join an alkyl group. Okay. First, let me tell you what is an alkyl group. Okay. From any hydrocarbon, okay, from the parent hydrocarbon, if we remove one hydrogen atom, it becomes an alkyl substituent. Like this is CH3. So this is called as methyl. Okay. Similarly, the second alkene is C2H6, right? From here, if we remove one hydrogen atom, it becomes C2H5, also known as ethyl. Okay. Now, how is a compound named? If it has an alkyl substituent. Okay. Now, suppose I take an example of an organic compound. And suppose the methyl group is out here, attached to the second carbon atom. And then the other valency of carbon atom is satisfied with hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, from which side shall we start numbering? From the left-hand side. Because whenever an alkyl substituent is present, we must keep in mind that the carbon atom to which the alkyl substituent is attached should get the least possible number. So we start numbering from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we started numbering from the left-hand side. Why? Because the carbon atom to which the alkyl group is attached must get the least possible number. Okay? Now, since 4 carbon atoms are there, what is the parent hydrocarbon? It is butane, right? But to the second carbon atom, what is attached? A methyl group is attached. So, the name of this organic compound is 2-methyl butane. So, I end my today's class here. Again, meet you next time. Thank you so much.